We're going to be talking about skincare today, and specifically your best morning skincare routine. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. But first, I'd like to show you what I have on. So what's going on? First of all, I am featuring two of the new colors. One, that golden one there, is Angel Eyes. And the one on top is Cobblestone. It's very soft and subtle, where Angel Eyes is very bright and glowy. So I have Angel Eyes down the bridge of my nose, across my brows, above my cheekbones. Where else? Here, collarbones. And I think I dabbed some here, played with that a lot. It's so lovely and limited edition, not a lot in the shop, so grab it when you can. Then Cobblestone, I didn't do an elaborate eye makeup look because I really wanted you to see what Cobblestone could do. It's a soft pinky brown, great transitional color. I have it today on my lid and all the way up to under the brow, and then with a little whisper right under the brow. And I also have it on my cheeks. I wanted to show you that too. So kind of fun. So just a little bit of fun of what I'm wearing. I know you like to know what the look is. And then, lipstick is Pop of Pink with, let me swatch that if I can. Pop of Pink with Perfection on top. And we're going to get into the skincare in a minute. I'm just going to get some of that Perfection on top. Softens it up, makes it a really pretty pink. It's a fun way to play with different colors, create your own colors, right? Mix things up a bit. All right. I think that's what I had for you in terms of what's going on here and what you can do to play with at home. So today, of course, I am Lisa DeLigori, owner and founder of Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, and a smaller, more personal, clean beauty brand. So we're going to be talking about skin, specifically your best morning routine. Okay, let's get started with that. First of all, I want you to know that your morning routine, it can take 5 minutes or less. It's going to sound like a lot, but when you really start to break it down individually for you, it's really quick and easy. And as you know, once something is a habit, it's so much easier. So wherever you are with your skin, if you're wanting to improve it or you're wanting to maintain it, this is where we start, all right? The essentials in the morning. We'll do another one later for the essentials at night, because just don't give up if you're frustrated with your skin. There's real things you can do for your skin, when we're going to be talking about, to improve it, and it will improve with consistent care and the right choices. So at nighttime is about supporting the regenerative process, but morning is about protecting and preserving. So there's something to really keep in your mind, because it gets confusing. Well, what's the difference between morning care and evening care? Well, there it is. We're going to protect and preserve in the morning. What you want to do is lift away anything that came up in our regenerative sleep during the night. So sweat, dirt, oil, and even leftover product, right? We want to start fresh. So we want to start with your cleanser. Now, you can choose whichever cleanser you prefer. It can be an oil-based cleanser, like our new Perfect Balance oil cleanser. If you like that feeling of an oil-rich cleansing in the morning, that's fine. That works great. You can also use, let's see. So that would be an oil-based. Another oil-based would be our jojoba cream scrub. So a gentle scrub in the morning could be a good option as well. Okay, that might feel good to you to get it going with a nice gentle scrub. These are little jojoba beads in a cream base. So it's an oil-based, and the little jojoba beads are perfectly rounded wax beads that dissolve, and they're not microplastics, okay? So that's another way. Those are your oil-based cleansers. Fine option depending on what your skin type and what you enjoy. You could go with a water-based cleanser like our green tea lotion cleanser. So it is a lotion, right? But it's a water-based. It rinses off with water. All right, so you could cleanse with that in the morning. So it's a simpler cleanse in the morning because we're not having to wash away makeup. So it's a one-step quick cleanse, which with whatever your choice is. That can be rinsed off with water. You can use the other water base is the Essential Mineral Gel Cleanser. You can use that. It's a little bit slightly foamy. We don't add foaming ingredients, but it's like more like they call it a gel, but slightly foamy once you add some water. All right. That's a fine cleanser in the morning. I know I prefer a non-oily cleanser in the morning, something where I can splash with some water. That feels good to me. So Ellen, because of you, I now wash my face with cleanser every morning. Thank you. I feel so good about that. It's really an important step first thing in the morning. Preserve and protect. Okay, good. So the other option is a quick cleanse with a micellar-based cleanser, your 3-in-1 wash away, no oil, very water-based. And that's a quick cleanse with a cotton pad. That's an option as well. Oh, I forget pink mineral bar. If you like a foamy, lather, gentle, clay-based, chamomile-infused bar type of cleanser, that's also an option. So let's see, did I miss anything there? What wakes you up? Think about what wakes you up and feels good in the morning. Choose your cleanser based on that. Then cleanse, splash off if need be, not with 3-in-1, that doesn't need to be rinsed off at all. And then take a soft washcloth and pat your skin dry. No rubbing, just pat, okay? All right, fresh washcloth. Next is let me move these out of the way so I don't confuse myself. Next is your toner or facial mist, all right? So my favorite method in the morning is a mist, and I've been using the Revive facial mist, and I'm gonna get into that in a minute. So I like to wake up in the morning, wash my face. That always scares me when I do it. I will spray and I will often press the mist into my skin to get the beneficials. You can also use crisp cucumber toner in a spray form. We do have the sprayer you can get to put in the tall crisp cucumber toner. So let's circle back to that. Or let me do this first. Or you can apply your crisp cucumber toner onto a cotton pad, which I don't have with me, onto a cotton pad, and then swipe like that. That's a fine option too. I just personally prefer a mist, but I used to use the swipe cotton pad all the time. What you're doing is you're adding additional beneficials such as cucumber hydrosol, which is extremely soothing and it's antioxidant support, black willow bark, which is smoothing and brightening. And with Revive, you bring again black willow bark, chamomile, which is antioxidant support as well as soothing, and there's one other, and rose. So you've got some strong, that's just three items in the Revive facial mist. It is abundant in skin soothers and skin replenishers. So excellent to use a mist or a facial toner because you're getting additional benefits for your skin. Press into your skin, mist or press into your skin so that you get the additional benefits. Okay. 3 is antioxidant support. We're rolling more into antioxidant support. Let me know if you have questions or comments. Let me know what your skincare morning routine is, and if there's something you're doing that's different than what I'm saying. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it needs to be tweaked. Let me know. Let's talk. You can also go into our please request membership for our VIP group, private VIP group, and we can talk there more about it and get personal attention for you. Okay, so did I not put my serums here? Okay. All right. So antioxidant support is next. Vitamin C serum, resveratrol serum, resveratrol peptide serum help your sunscreen actives work better. So it can help protect your skin even more with your sunscreen. They're partners, okay? And they boost your body's natural defenses because especially as we age, we lose the ability to produce our own antioxidants throughout the full day. they diminish during the day. So when we're adding our serums, we're adding more support to our body. We're saying, here's a little bit more to help you to get through the day, okay? We're keeping the free radicals at bay. Those are those little scavengers that damage our skin. So adding, and then you can add, so vitamin C is excellent for the day. Resveratrol is excellent for the day. It can also be used at night, but we're talking about daytime right now. Personally, I use vitamin C serum and resveratrol in the morning. I layer them one on top of the other. You can also use them in the evening. Then you could add one of your correctors. Maybe it's a spot treatment or anti-redness treatment for those serums, those high active serums. That would be all under antioxidant support. Okay. That was one. Step 2, step 3 is hydrate and moisturize. So think about how easy this really is. You're getting up, you're washing your face, you're misting with your facial mist, or you're swiping with your toner. You're adding your serums, and now you're moisturizing. And again, so moisturizing, you're going to, now you may not need additional moisturizer plus your sunscreen. Your sunscreen may be enough, but if you do, I need additional moisture. So I use my olive oil cream. This is the cream I use morning and night. But you could choose to use olive oil lotion. Perhaps they're a little lighter weight. It's a little lighter weight. Olive oil cream, okay? So choose your moisturizer or pomegranate balancing lotion. This may be what you want if you have a little bit, you lean toward normal to oily skin, okay? So hydrate. I've told you a number of times that the more consistently you hydrate, your skin cells learn to accept moisture better. They get smarter. They learn to behave. So consistent with your hydration, okay? Eye cream goes here. Eye cream as well. So your lotion, eye cream, I always add a little dab of my eye cream above my lip. Lip balm, slick on some lip balm before you go downstairs for your coffee. This would also be where your lash or brow serum would go if you're using it twice a day. So sometimes you use a lash serum in the morning as well in the evening. All right, so lash and brow serum, this is a good time to do your morning application if you do it twice a day, or if that's the best time for you to do it and you're doing it once a day. Last but not least, the star of our show for protection is your sunscreen. Whatever your favorite sunscreen is, you can go back and watch last week's tutorial on mineral sunscreens. This is where you apply this. A quarter size, my empty bottle. This is just my demo bottle. I forgot, I didn't bring my actual one. It lives upstairs in my bathroom. I usually do about 5 pumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this particular brand. But you want to use about a size of a quarter for your face, and then an additional quarter size dollop for your neck and your décolleté. And I use a third for my hands, forearms, and now as you know, I'm going up into my upper arms every day. Quarter size amount. Okay, let that all dry down. Go downstairs, get your coffee, make your bed, play with your kids, play with your grandkids, read a little bit of a couple paragraphs of that great book you're reading. You know, just let it dry down, okay? You'll feel it before you apply your makeup. If you're not putting on makeup right away, no need to do that. So those are the steps. Let me go through them again. 5 steps in the morning, really quick. You're gonna wash your face. You're gonna apply a toner or a mist. You're going to then apply your antioxidant support by the way of a serum. You're going to then moisturize. If you need a moisturizer, you may only have 4 steps. And then you're going to apply your sunscreen. All right? There. So quick 5 steps, 5 minutes or less. There's other things you could add into if you wanted to in the morning, and that'll be for another tutorial, but these are the important essential basics you want to cover. Here is what I do. It's a little bit different of what I've been saying. If you're active first thing in the morning, you roll out of bed and you do go into your workouts. Well, I don't go quite that quickly into my workouts. I don't roll out of bed and do anything. I roll out of bed and sit and don't talk to anybody. But once I get past that phase of the morning, I go right into a workout. And so I don't want to wash my whole face, add my serums, my moisturizer, and then, because then I take a shower afterwards. And maybe you have this same question, right? And then I would be washing everything off and having to do it all over again. So I get out of bed. First thing I do in the morning is I don't even wash my face. Okay. But hear me out. I go right into my sunscreen. I get up in the morning, brush my teeth, blah, 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 right? And I put on my sunscreen, face, neck, décolleté, hands, arms. I do my full sunscreen. Then I go do my morning routine, have my coffee, get ready for my workout, walk my dog. Because I'm going outside, I'm walking my dog, I've got a big kitchen window, UV rays come right through the window. And then I go out and I do my workout. So I'm protected, I have my sunscreen on. Now when I'm done with my workout, I go take a shower and then I do my full routine and I reapply my sunscreen. I just wanted to throw that out to you that there is that option too if you work out in the morning. I've had that question once. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon.